Architecture has always been tied to the land, anchored to gravity, framed by streets, bound by maps. But what if we let it float? What if buildings no longer needed cities, but became cities themselves? This is not a ship, it's not a boat, or even a vessel. This is a movable seal, a floating island of the future, a place where architecture sails without leaving port, where homes, culture, life and leisure drift freely across the horizon. Designed with aerodynamic lines and organic forms, this structure is not inspired by the ocean. It belongs to it. From above, it unfolds like a blooming shell. From the side, it glides like a ripple through time. Curved terraces rise like ocean waves. Glass facades reflect sunsets with infinite rhythm. Water is no longer a boundary. It's part of the blueprint. The future of architecture is not only vertical, not only terrestrial, it is fluid, adaptive, visionary. This is a new typology, not a cruise, not a tower, but a living habitat that sails with dignity. Because architecture was never meant to be still, it was meant to explore.